about to do the Nouvaderm laser. For pigment as well as tightening, we're going to address this little fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes and help thicken that skin up. Little fine lines around the mouth, tightening. And then we're going to get these little guys here, some pigment as well as tightening. Feels like sparklers on your skin, so it's a pretty well tolerated laser. We also use cold spray. We're going to be applying some salmon sperm. It's not pure. I'm sure it's been processed and it's nice and clean and sterile and things. And I don't know how they get it, so don't ask me how they acquire the salmon sperm. What it has is anti-inflammatory properties and helps with healing, so stem cells and things, all the goodies. So in about 15 minutes, combined with our little ContourLight red light, it's going to help heal up. It feels so good and yummy. So after this, you can also apply this epidermal growth factor mask too, which we're going to do. You can see like little bubbles. Some people kind of have hive up a little bit. That's not unusual. And you can take some Zyrtec, that'll help it calm down. A little yogurt mask is nice. If you got some yogurt, a bit of aloe, that's good too. Go night-night for a while. Red LED light is healing. ContourLight is wonderful. The downtime's really pretty minimal, about 1 or 2 days, you look a little pink. Nouvaderm is a corrective treatment designed to create structural improvement in your skin.